Beverly, Kyle Harding, Jordan Roth, Landon Skosko, Nolan Skosko.
Why are they in yellow?
And the coach.
Because they're the away team.
I messed that up?
Did I do it backwards?
No, I messed it up.
The Nets, Gavin Andrews, Andrew Davis, Dalton Gaiman, Gerald Gaiman, Christopher Gutierrez, Jaden Parry, Luke Hodge, Ethan Wittig, and the coaches, Johanna Gaiman, Ardin Landis.
I guess in both teams have some pretty big guys.
Right, we'll have a GD and more than that,
Okay, we are ready for the Sixers and Nets, and it is a snowy Saturday, and a lot of players are missing, especially the Gaiman brothers.
Your eyes aren't deceiving you. They are playing 4-on-4.
So we got a 4-on-4. This is going to be interesting. Both teams are undefeated. And here we go. There's Binkley. Lance over to Kai Harding, and rebound Skosko underneath, and that is Landon. Started off early. Landon 6 points in the last game. He had a tremendous defensive game. Okay.
now, goal, 34 with push, white ball underneath.
Okay, and they're going to get Lance for his first foul. Now the Harding brothers are playing against each other. Caden, number 1, and Kai for the Sixers, number 31. And Andrew Davis stepped on the line. Sixer ball.
He straight up dribbled on the line. Well, that's not right.
And we have
Shot clock violation.
something happened. Here's Skosko. Davis guarding him well. And Davis, nice steal there. Here's Davis down the left side. And ball's turned over. Kai Harding into the hands of Lance Binkley. Binkley, left side. Goes around Harding, lays it off the glass and in. Nice job there with Binkley. 9 points last week in their win over the Rockets. Here's Caden Harding. Wedding. Out to Horst. Davis. And Harding stuck by Lance. And Kai, brother on brother, stole it. Kai on the break. And he's going to lay that in for his first points of the game. Ronan, how about Kai Harding's 17-point first half last week?
Yeah, but didn't he kind of be silent the next half?
He had 0 in the second half.
Yeah, that's what I remembered.
They still won the game.
I think that was the coach's decision. I imagine the coach probably told Kai not to explode again.
Very possible. Long pass to Harding, wide open layup, but Davis can get up high. He forced him to miss it. Jordan Roth's there. The ball's going to count. Good shot by Jordan. And they're going to get Davis for his first. And it'll be interesting to see if somebody fouls out of this game. It's going to be a 4-on-3.
Yeah. I think what Upward
Well, there's
does,
one guy on the bench, for the Sixers.
I think what Upward does when it's when someone fouls out is they take one person out from both teams.
Sorry about that, Ronan, what you were saying?
I think what Upward does is when someone fouls out, when you have no subs, one player from each team comes out.
So a 3-on-2?
No. It would be a 4-on or a 3-on-3.
Okay.
It would be
Here's
weird.
Caden Harding. Caden, and that's turned over. Landon Skosko. Skosko, left side. Got it to Kai Harding. Oh, he may have got away with one there. And no good. Ball turned over. Well, the one thing about the Nets, they have tremendous defense. And Lance Binkley, his second already. Second team foul.
Good pass.
All right, here's underneath. There's Caden Harding. Very nicely done. Eight to 2. And the Nets finally got on the board there. Here's Binkley from 20 feet, just short. Kai Harding to rebound. And they got some passing. There's Lance for 3, no good. And still another offensive rebound. Oh, Skosko, what a play. Turned around, full to everybody. Got it off to Jordan Roth. Nicely done. Roth's 4th point. With that Landon Skosko, so valuable. Davis inside, taken away by Binkley. We talked about his defense last week. Easy outlet to Kai Harding. Put it in. Harding's 4th point. 12 to 2. Sixers out to an early lead. Nobody on the bench for the Nets. 4 people here. It is a snowstorm outside. And Binkley, another steal. Binkley into the lane, left-handed. And that's where his left hand comes into play. And right now, Michael Raw is very happy the way his team opened up to 14-2 lead. And I do not see, oh, Ardin Landis is here. So Ronan, you're Ardin Landis. You got 4 guys, nobody on the bench. You're down 14 to 2. You have Binkley and Harding to deal with. What do you possibly say to these guys?
You can't, on the last possession where Jordan Roth got an easy layup from the block, you can't let that happen because they probably got 3 offensive rebounds, and you just cannot do that.
But you have to put some factors into play here. They're going to be winded. It's early in the season. Your guys are going to be depleted early. If you try to stop this team, having that extra guy on the bench for the Sixers has really got to be an advantage and a big one.
The Nets need to get every single rebound because they're so much bigger than the Sixers that they just need to get every rebound because they just will not win this game if they don't get rebounds.
Nice play by Caden Harding. Stolen by Kai Harding. Kai has Jordan underneath. Jordan. And Nolan Scotts goes in. Nolan. And he nails it from 15 feet. Good job there by Nolan. 2 minutes to go in the first quarter. 16 to 2. All Sixers. Nice block by Kai on his brother, but he got it back. Over the head of Horst. Or I'm sorry, that's Christopher Gutierrez.
Jordan's cherry picking here.
Was that Jordan?
That was Jordan Roth, yes.
Jordan for a 6-point, nicely done. So I didn't have a mistake. Christopher Gutierrez, not Horst. None of the Horsts are here. And boy, the Nets are really good. They're going to have a hard
needs to
time
shoot
today.
that.
Here's Caden
Good
Harding.
move.
Caden underneath. Caden has an open shot from 8 feet. And no good. 18 to 2. Kai to Jordan. That is for 3. No good.
Got to get those rebounds.
Landon over to Kai. A minute to go, first quarter. And there goes Nolan with a 3. No good.
Got to get that rebound.
This is one of those games that you got to chalk up to the weather, unfortunately. There's Landon. Top of the key to his brother. Nolan with a great look from 3, in and out.
Those you really want back.
Caden Harding. 37 seconds, first quarter. 18 to 2, all Sixers. Caden Harding. Caden got himself in the lane. Yeah, and Nolan Skosko is going to be called for his first. And third team foul.
I don't really see what the official saw, but I'm not the ref.
That's your dad. You have to be careful, Ronan. I'll be seeing this. Caden, nice shot there for his 5th point. Good Jordan Roth the rebound. Kai Harding. Kai has no one underneath, but couldn't hang on. 17 seconds to go, first quarter. And Nolan got it to Landon. Clock over here is not started yet. There's a miss. Jordan. And Roth hits it from 12 feet. Well, Jordan having a very nice first quarter. Jordan with 8 points total last week, 8 points in the first quarter now. So 20-3. And
this is just brutal here for the Nets.
Yes.
They lose some of their great players, and on average, the final score is going to be 80-12.
80-12, Ronan's prediction.
Oh no, I'm not predicting that. That's what it'll be if every quarter repeats itself. Sorry for not being clear
Well,
there.
they have a very good excuse. You have
Yes, they really do.
a lot of people missing. No Jarrell or Dalton Gaiman.
Yeah, it's just
Those are the 2 biggest players.
Jarrell last week, just a sensational first game. Let's talk about that game. That was against your team,
Yeah,
the
it was.
Lakers. And we watched that film over and over. And 19 points for Jarrell. The whole team scored 23. You guys just didn't have an answer for Jarrell, did you?
the thing that our team did was we would guard our player and kind of turn our eyes away from Jarrell. And when you do that, Jarrell's just like, yeah, I'll either shoot a 3, I'll step back, or I'll just dunk it.
Yeah, I mean, we watched the video, and the defense did tighten up on Jarrell
Yeah,
later in
it
the
did,
game.
yeah.
But the damage was done.
Yeah.
But
We started
again,
coming
you only
back,
lost
but
by
it's
2.
too late.
It was
Yeah.
a 2-point game. But his fadeaway was just absolutely
It's such
stellar.
an unguardable shot.
It's so hard to defend when a guy that tall can fade.
Definitely.
I've won 2 championships and upward, one with Fonzi and one with Jarrell. He's just so good. 10 games with Jarrell is heaven.
So the Nets are definitely missing him today. It's 20-3 in this snowstorm lopsided game. You guys got to go. Ronan and Jaden have to go here. Here's Wedig. Wedig off the glass, got his own rebound and lost it. Hands of Lance Binkley. Binkley stops, got it off to Roth. Roth underneath to Nolan Skosko, guarded hard by Wedig. What a fake by Nolan. Oh, almost made that. And that was turned over. Still 20-3. And the Nets, again, without either Gaiman brother. And there's Wedig. Oh, almost put that in. Going the other way. Binkley dishes it off to Roth. Roth nails it from 15 feet. Jordan Roth for his 10th point. Boy, nicely done. We're here in the second quarter. And Nolan's going to be called for his second, 4th team foul. Non-shooting foul. Here's Davis. To Harding. Harding guarded by Landon. Trying to get it underneath to Davis, but Binkley saw that. And that's going to be turned over. Really, give Lance Binkley some credit. I talked about last game. What a great defensive player Landon is. Broke his wrist last year. Here's Landon Skosko for 3. That's no good. But tipped off the hands of Gutierrez. And that's going to stay. No one to his brother. Landon thought about 3. Looking for his brother underneath, but Harding saw that. Ball stayed in the hand of the Sixers, but that's going to be turned over. You got to think these guys are tired. 22-3. The Sixers in yellow. We are in 4 minutes to go in the first half. And Andrew Davis got to be tired right now. Davis underneath, going to pull up a wild shot. No chance. Off the side of the backboard. Got his own rebound. All right, they're going to call Gutierrez on a 3-second violation. And Patrick Casey watches that very closely. Binkley to Roth. Landon has all day for a 3. In and out, no good. Rebound, Binkley right there. Nicely done for Lance. And that's his 6th point. There's Caden Harding. Harding looking for Davis, but Binkley again. The awareness on Binkley is just tremendous. Lance last year breaking his wrist in practice. Oh, Harding went up and down on that one. That's going to be turned over. And really, Coach Reif and the Lakers needed Binkley last year. They made it to the final. They finished the season at 4-4, the Lakers. And the loss of Binkley really hurt them, but they still did great getting there. There's a 3 for Landon Skosko. And that is his 5th point of the game. Landon had 6 points last week, 4 in the first quarter, 2 in the 4th. And if you haven't seen that game, go back and look at that one. The Sixers just really, they beat the Rockets 46-35. They got off to a 12-8 lead. They never lost the lead. 25-13 at the half. And after 3, it was 37-23, 46-35. But the big story in that game was Kai Harding, 17-point first half, 0 in the second half. Kai did get in a little foul trouble. He had 3 fouls early in the third quarter. But the Sixers, this is a really well-balanced league. A lot of great teams. Fonzi and the Raptors, they're going to be very hard to beat. And when the Gaiman brothers are on the Nets team here, they have a tremendous defense. I mean, Wedding, Gavin Andrews, and Davis, aside from the Gaiman brothers, they're so hard. They beat the Lakers last week by 2. Just a great team when they have everybody there. Here's Caden Harding to Gutierrez. Stolen away by Kai Harding. Kai has Davis behind him, and he lays it in nicely. Only Kai's 4th point. And nothing Ardin Landis can do about this game. You just don't have your players. Harding to Wedding. Wedding stolen by Kai Harding again. Harding on a fast break, but Ethan Wedding shut that down nicely. Here's Nolan Skosko. He's going to be fouled. Looks like Wedding. And that's going to be his first. On a snowstorm Saturday, we were even wondering if we were going to play. Now the next game coming up is going to be the Lakers and Clippers. That's Luke Fox against Ronan and the Lakers. And then after that, you're going to have Fonzi going up against the John and Jordan Keller Rockets. Nice shot there by Nolan. His third point. And he hit both. Nicely done, Nolan. If you haven't seen that championship game last year of the Rockets-Lakers, you must go back and watch that. It's here on the Upward site. Lakers with a 21-12 lead at the half. It looked like they were going to have the championship. And the Rockets and Christopher Ween just said, we're not done. And they stormed back to win the game 34-33 in dramatic fashion. Burkholder had a chance to win the game for the Lakers and missed a three. There's Harding, Kai. And just an amazing season last year. Congratulations again to the Rockets of last year. Kai Harding saw that the whole way. There's going to be another easy layup. His 8th point. So again, this league, I said, is well balanced. And if we look at the Sixers game last week, almost everybody scored that was on the court. This is a really good team. They play together well. There's Nolan for three, no good. Nolan stuck by Wettig, and he got it off nicely. Kai Harding the rebound. And I did not see who got that one in. And I think that was Jordan Roth. We're going to give Roth that basket. Did not see. There's Wettig. And Caden Harding. Caden underneath. It was nice block there. A little poke by Nolan. Long pass ahead to Jordan. And that is the end of the quarter. It won't go. So end of the first half, 37-3. And we'll be back with second half action. All Sixers.